This is Daphne with Glitter It Up with Daphne, and I'm going to be making some clay. It's going to look like crushed peppermint so that I can use it on my fake bakes. So what I've used for this is Model Magic White and the Model Magic Red. And I just made like little sticks with it so that it would have a little bit of each color when I cut it up. So I'm going to do that real quick so you can see how. So then you have to let it dry once you get it rolled out. So you just kind of roll it all out. It doesn't have to be exact because you are going to be cutting it up into little tiny pieces. So I just want a little, and then I'm just going to twist it up. And then I'm going to roll that up again. I like it. I think it's a lot easier to work with in little smaller segments. So a lot of times I'll break it. And then just, if I need to, I roll it again, or twist it, I guess would be a better word to call it. So I'll just set that aside for that to dry. And just roll these out. So it usually takes about, I mean, overnight's a good amount of time to leave it to dry. Then you know it's good, so they won't stick together. So I'm going to use the crushed peppermint on baked bakes. And so then those 4 will dry. These are already dry. So you can just see that it looks like that. Just nothing special, it's just rough. And then I'm going to take so these are just air dry, and I'm going to take my scissors and just cut them up into little pieces. So I don't know if you've ever bought peppermint, crushed peppermint, like for cookies and things like that. But so you can usually see a little bit of red, a little bit of white in each little piece. So since this is Model Magic, it just air dries. So one of the things that I'm going to be using it on is I'm going to make little mini bunts. So I did these, and this is like the gingerbread, and I used the clay that I mixed to get to this color that I like. And I'm going to do some of these that look like chocolate as well, and then that's what I want the peppermint, crushed peppermint for. So it's just real easy to do this. And it just looks really nice when you put it on something like I did it on cupcakes in the past. Like baked cupcakes that looked really cute. And it's not very hard to cut because, you know, Model Magic clay is very soft, it's easy. Not much to it. So when you get real crushed peppermint, like in a bag, they'll be varying sizes. So there's just no right or wrong way. Cut them kind of randomly. And I wouldn't make them real big. I mean, I guess you could, but I think if you cut them just kind of little small pieces, it'll come there looking real. I suppose you could probably do this with the clay you bake in the oven, but I just think this is so easy. I think this is how I would do it. And then I'm just gonna put them in a little baby food jar. Well, if I can get them in there. They have a mind of their own, I guess. So, pick up all the loose ones. So, that's what it comes out looking like. Just a little, and then you can use them for any of your fake bakes, and it looks really cute. So, there you go.